Hi, my name's Bill Tomassini, and I had double knee replacement at Optim Medical Center-Tattnall. So I was experiencing knee pain for probably 10 to 15 years, and I'm a very active golfer and pickleball player. Prior to the operation, I met with Dr. Hope and his team about 6 months in advance, and I really appreciated the fact that they helped coach me through what was going to go on with the operation. They listened to what my personal goals were, what my timeline was, and together we put a plan in place to get ready for the bilateral knee surgery. As soon as we checked in, the entire staff and team at Optim really made us feel comfortable. They made my wife feel comfortable. The whole team was on the same page. They gave us a high level of confidence that they knew exactly what they were doing, and every member of the team knew exactly what their role was. It's been amazing to get back on the golf course and be able to play golf again without the level of pain that I had for the last 10 to 15 years.